Kaduguri is about to change forever. Right on Whitefield Budigiri main road, a 48-acre of township is coming that puts in mall, hospital, retail, commercial and residential all at one place. And this is just a beginning. Brigade Granada is coming super soon. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Chetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Brigade Granada, which is located in Whitefield, Kaduguri East, Bangalore, and this project in township is developed by Brigade Group. So right now we are here on the actual site of the project, so let's have a glimpse of our project. So I'm standing just opposite to our main site and just behind me is the marketing office which is under construction for now, and the land parcel is over here where the main entrance will be coming up on my right hand side over here, and the land parcel starts from here itself. Well, in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Now before starting the video, I know you must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So starting with the project overview, where Brigade Granada is spread across 48 acres of massive land. It's not just a project but an integrated township that includes commercial, residential, mall, hospital and everything you need inside your community itself. Residential part has multiple towers rising up to 55 floors. Here you can choose between 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus study room and 4 BHK premium homes. It is best for end users and investors both, where you can live, relax and work at one destination. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located bang on Whitefield Budigiri main road in Kaduguri, Whitefield East, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing exactly near the main entrance. The main entrance will be coming up on the back end side over here, and this is the Whitefield Budigiri main road. So this road on my back end side will take you towards Kaduguri, and the opposite side road will connect you towards Old Madras Road and take you towards Budigiri. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity part. So Old Madras Road is just 1 minute away from our project. You can connect to Hoskote Toll Plaza in just 6 minutes. Whitefield Kaduguri Metro Station is within 15 minutes from our project. Now about the amenities part, and Brigade Group offers you luxurious world-class amenities for every age group. Like you get a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, indoor game, outdoor game zone, kids play area, landscape garden and many more luxurious amenities inside your community. Now before moving further, here's a recommendation from my end. Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers. Many home buyers don't exactly know what their rights are. For example, when you book a home by paying a token amount, and later on if you try to cancel your booking, how much amount a builder can legally deduct, or else even after possession if there is any construction related issue happening in your project, is builder liable for the same or not? All this is mentioned in the very simple and easy manner in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch this series once. The link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. So go watch it out. Now let's discuss about the super built up area. So as mentioned, our project offers you 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus study room and 4 BHK premium homes, where 1 BHK starting from 600 square feet and goes up to 700 square feet, super built up area. 2 BHK starts from 1000 square feet to 1200 square feet. 3 BHK homes starting from 1400 to 2000 square feet, super built up area. 3 BHK plus study room is starting from 2100 to 2200 square feet, super built up area. 4 BHK homes of 2500 and goes up to 2800 square feet, super built up area. Now about the booking process, and currently our project is in pre-launch stage and will be opening with the EOI, that is expression of interest window, will be opening very soon. So stay tuned with Housey for more details. So everyone, this was a teaser of Brigade Granada by Brigade Group located in Whitefield, Kaduguri, East Bangalore. If you are looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK, and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.